Hi, this is week 5, part 2, lesson 1. It's going to cover background eraser tool, and then we will do the color replacement tool. Both of these tools work very similar. Basically, whatever you click on, it replaces with either the background for a background eraser or the color if you use a color replacement. First, what we're going to do is the background eraser tool, which is going to change anything you click here to this background color here, which is white, happens to be white. This doesn't have to be white. Whatever your background is, it could be a pattern or anything like that, it'll change it to that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click, to find the background eraser tool, click on the eraser tool here, and then click background eraser tool. Up at the top, the setting, make it the size that you want. I click 49. You can click this first one is continuous sampling, which means anytime the bullseye goes over a different color, it will change it to replace that color. And then this one time, which is the first time you click whatever the bullseye is on, it's gonna replace only that color for as long as you hold down the mouse. And this one, that one changes the that's for a sampling, the color or background swatch. We're not going to use that one. And then contiguous or discontinuous, this is saying if the pixels change, do you want it to keep replacing the color or not? So I will say discontinuous is fine. And then tolerance is how much difference of the color would you like it to find. So I'm gonna put this a little bit higher to 60%, and the reason is because when I do this sky, this color here is darker than this one, so I want to be able to do everything in one go. So first I'll sample here, and then I'll just hold down the mouse, and it's gonna, anything that's that blue color or slightly like the blue color, it's going to replace. So just go like that, go through, get all, when you get towards this white, kind of be careful because the tolerance is kind of high, so it might change her shorts. But I'll go inside here, make sure you get in that. Okay, and then now there we go, everything is now that background white color. And that is how you use the background eraser tool. Next tool we're going to use is a color replacement tool, and that's going to change the color of her shirt. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. I'll zoom in to 200% so I can see her shirt. And the color we want to change it to is in the instructions 33, 141, 205. And I already have that in here. But if yours is different, just make sure it says 33, 141, 205. Press OK. And we want to choose the color replacement tool, which is under the brush tool. So go to the brush tool and then go here, color replacement tool. 40% tolerance. Since that shirt is kind of bright, I'm going to move this up just a little bit to say 60, because I don't have a fear of it changing anything else, because how much different her shirt is compared to the rest of the hair and the body. So then I just click here, hold it, and then anything that you go over that is that color will be changed. And like so. And just go over the entire shirt so you get the new color of shirt in there. And again, I'm using, I made sure I use the one-time sampling so the color doesn't change when I go over new parts. And that looks good there. And that's how you use the background eraser tool and the color replacement tool. I'll put this back to 100% so you can see the finished product. And there you go. She has the white sky and she has a blue shirt. Thank you for watching.